Hello Fahad, everything good?
Hello, sir.
I'm audible properly?
Yes, sir, you are.
All right. Any doubts from the last class?
Yes, sir, I had two questions to ask.
All right, you have a question. All right, you can ask the question.
One question was, if x equals to 4 to the power n minus 3n minus 1, where n is
All
a
right.
natural number, and y equals to 9, bracket n minus 1, where n is a natural number, prove that x is a subset of y.
All right, this question is from
This is from RD Sharma.
Artisan. All right. Can you tell me how you can solve this? Like, do you have any idea?
No.
Absolutely not. Just try, do this. Just try to write the elements here. Where n is a natural number, try to put n equals to 1, we'll get 0. N equals to 2, you will get. Can you tell me the elements of y?
18.
18. If you put n equals to 2, then you will get 18 or
No, 9, 18.
Right. So what pattern do we see here? These are multiple of 9, right?
Yes.
I can say this is multiple of 9, all the natural numbers, and 0 is there also. All the whole numbers multiple of 9, right? Now can we write x?
Yes.
Let's try to write this here. Write down the elements.
0, then
0,
16 minus 6, 9, 18, 27.
20.
7.
So you can see for yourself, right?
Yes.
All right. Can you ask next question?
But sir, over here they have used a very lengthy process using binomial theorem and
Right. See, I know that also, but see, binomial theorem is not in your syllabus, first of all, and because we have not done that chapter, I cannot explain you that, right? Because binomial theorem is itself like very complex chapter, new thing for you, right?
Okay.
So if you want to know, then you can star mark it, all right? And when we do binomial theorem, but we will not be doing that. But if you want, then after the syllabus is completed, I can explain the chapter to you. Then we can do that by that method. All right, Fahad?
Okay.
Now you will not be facing this question, but if you face, then this is the method to go. All right.
Okay.
All right. The second doubt.
Let B be a subset of A, and let power. How do I read this? P bracket A colon B.
This is colon.
Yes.
All right. Power set of. Are you sure this is the symbol they have put?
Yes, sir. Is equals to.
All right.
Equals to X. No, in X is in bracket and X is capital X.
All right.
Belonging to power set of A colon X
X
is a,
smaller.
yes, superset of B.
This is the question.
Then we have to show that power set of A and phi.
Wait a minute. Okay, wait a minute. Let's. My mouse is not working. Give me a second. One note is hanging. Wait a minute. Just. All right. Show that.
Power set of A colon phi equals to power set of A.
This is y
Uh,
equals to.
no, phi.
All right.
Because
Phi.
no. Power set of A colon phi, and this is in bracket.
All right. This is in bracket.
Yes,
Is equals to.
equals to power set of A.
All right. No, you don't have to solve this type of questions. All right. This is not in your syllabus. And these are we can say higher level questions, right? We have not done this type of concept in the class. Fahad again. All right. The same thing is here. To solve this type of question, we have to go a little higher in our syllabus, right? As you can see, you mostly see this type of questions in JE level sections, right, Fahad?
So,
Sorry.
will we do these type of questions or not later on?
Right. I'll. You are taking JE class once in a week, right?
Yes.
Right. So after they complete this chapter, in that you'll be able to solve this. All right. They are focusing on this type of questions. In our class, we are focusing mainly on boards. All right, Fahad.
Oh.
So that is how our time is divided between the teachers. So after they complete this question, this chapter in that class, then you can solve this very easily. All right. I hope you know what power set is.
Power set
That
is
you, yeah,
all
that you can know from my class. Sorry.
yes, all the collection of
All the collection of
sets of A and
subsets of it,
oh yes,
right? And you should also know the formula for this to solve this question: 2 raised to the power n, right?
yes.
The number of elements. Then after they complete this type of question in that class, then you can easily solve this type of questions. All right.
Okay.
And even suppose after they complete the chapter and still cannot solve this, then you can ask me. I'll explain. All right.
Okay.
You can also star mark this. No worries. And enough. Everything good?
Yes, sir.
All right. Any doubts from the last class?
No, sir.
Arnav, any doubts from the last class?
No, sir.
No. All right. So let's start this chapter. Relations and functions. First is relation, and the first topic is ordered pairs. Do you have any exams coming up? Both of you?
Mine is done.
Yours is done. All right. Which chapters were there in their test?
Sir, there was sets full chapter and part of trigonometric ratio.
Part of trigonometry. All right. And Fahad, what about you?
We will be having our exams on in September or August maybe.
September or August. All right. So we have time, right? For you.
Yes. But
Alright,
it would be half syllabus.
It will be half syllabus, like half of all the syllabus.
Yes.
And which chapters?
I am not so sure, but
All right. So your
around 7.
your job is to, both of you, your job is to tell me in the next class which chapters are coming in the next exam you face. All right. So that we can do that in that order. All right.
So trigonometric ratios is already completed in class and the next test will be in September. So I don't know the portion. It was probably like 5 or 6 chapters.
5 or 6, but we must know which chapters, right? Which 5 or 6
Yes,
they are
sir.
taking, because each school is going on with their own syllabus. So we have to keep that in mind, right?
Yes, sir.
So now I'm going on with this NCERT syllabus. But if you need to change any chapter or the order of any chapters, you can tell me. All right, in the next class. Clear, both of you?
Okay, sir.
All right. So what are ordered pairs? Ordered pairs are two objects written in specific two objects or elements. Order. All right. You have seen ordered pairs since your childhood, right? If you point this point, what is its location? 3,4. This is an ordered pair. All right. Ordered pair is nothing but two objects written in specific order, where order matters, right? 3,4 is not equals to 4,3, because 3,4 is this, 4,3 will be here. So these are two different points. All right. Whenever we write two elements where the order also matters, that is called ordered pair. All right. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
Very easy. This is nothing to think about a lot. You can write it down. All right. What is the significance of this? This is just a way to represent two numbers. All right. This is way to represent two numbers. The order here is very important. That 4 comes after 3. Right. We will know the significance in the next topic. All right, done?
Yes.
All right. Equality of two ordered fields. If x1 comma y1 is equals to x2 comma y2, and can anyone tell me what will happen here? If we have two ordered pairs that are equal, that means this, the corresponding elements will be equal. All right. If I say a point 3 comma 4 is equals to x comma y, and I ask you what is the value of x, you will say x must be 3 and y must be 4, right? Because if two coordinates of point are equal, then the corresponding x coordinates and y coordinates must be equal, right? Is this clear, everyone? Fahad, Arnab, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. So note it down also. Let's solve few questions on this. Two questions. Let's solve this question.
So X is 3 and Y is 2.
Absolutely right. Very easy question. Let's solve another one. Let's solve this one. Solve this.
Yes.
All right. What is the answer here?
A equals to 1, B equals to 0.
All right. Arnav.
No, so I'm still solving.
All right.
So same answer, A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0.
So this is clear, right? Equality of two ordered pairs is very easy. Just compare the corresponding elements and you will be done. Now, Cartesian product. This is the very important part in relations and functions. What is Cartesian product? Cartesian product is the set of all ordered pairs A comma B where A belongs to A and B belongs to B, where A and B are two non-empty sets. Alright, Cartesian product between two sets A and B. So don't write it yet, just understand this. They are saying if you have a set A, 1, 2, 3, and you have a set B, A comma B. Alright. If they ask you what is the Cartesian product of A and B, so what will be the answer? All the ordered pairs that are possible. Alright, what was ordered pair? Two elements written like this. But what should happen? All the ordered pairs A comma B such that A belongs to A. That means the first element should come from capital A, right? A set. The second element should come from set B. All right. And all the possible combinations like this is the set of Cartesian product. All right. So let me tell you what. The first element we can choose 1. The second element from set B. So 1 comma A. Now we have to see any other pair is possible with 1 as the first element. Yes, 1 comma B. All right. Now we'll move on to 2. 2 comma A and 2 comma B. 3 comma A and 3 comma B. This set is called the Cartesian product of A and B. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
All right. And Cartesian product is denoted by A cross B. All right. This is read as A cross B. Whenever you see this, you have to write all the set of all ordered pairs from A to B. All right. Where the first element will be from set A, second element will be from set B. So if I ask you what will be B cross A here, can anyone tell me the answer? What will be B cross A? Fahad, Arnav.
So it will be A comma 1.
A comma 1, A comma 2, A comma 3,
B
A
comma
comma 1.
1, B comma 2, and B comma 3.
Absolutely. So we can write A cross B equals to B cross A here, right? Yes or no, everyone?
Yes.
No, right? Because as we see, these ordered pairs are not equal, right? The order matter here.
But sir,
One
why?
comma,
Because in the last chapter it was written that order doesn't matter.
uh, when did I say order does not matter? Right.
It
So
was-
all right. I got your point. What I'm saying. If I write A 1, 2, 3, and I write A equals to 3, 2, 1, you are saying this, right? The order doesn't matter. Here A set and this A set is equal. This is clear. But in here, if I say A cross B and B cross A are equal, then all the elements must be equal, right, Fahad?
Yes.
If two sets are equal, then the elements must be equal. Here, if you compare this A and this A, then 1 is there, 1 is there, 2 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 3 is there. Then we can say A is equals to, suppose this is set B, A is equals to B. But in here, this is A cross B and this is B cross A. What is the first element here? 1 comma A, right? This is an ordered pair. So do you have 1 comma A in here, B cross A?
But sir, how do we know if this is an ordered pair or not?
If you have the elements are written like this, 1 comma A brackets, this is the way to write ordered pairs. Remember class 8, 2 comma 4 is a coordinate of a point, right? This is an ordered pair.
Okay, sir.
All right, clear?
Yes.
All right, Arnav, this is clear.
Yes, sir.
So in ordered pairs, the order is very important. That is why they are called ordered pairs. I told you the elements are equal. Even if the elements are equal, the order is very important here. 1 comma A is not equals to A comma 1, right? 3 comma 4 is not equals to 4 comma 3. So if you compare the ordered pairs, we don't have the ordered pairs as equal. So A cross B is not equals to B cross A in this case. All right, in this case specifically, it's not so that every A cross B is not equals to B cross A. There may be some cases in which they will be equal. All right, I'll show the examples. This is clear. What is Cartesian product? Fahad, Arnav, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
All right, this is very important. Cartesian product is the one of the most important topics. So note it down. Tell me when you are done. right, you can write down this mathematically as, in a good way, A cross B is equals to set of all ordered pairs such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B, right? This is the way to write in set builder form. A cross B is a set of all ordered pairs A comma B such that A is from A, B is from B. All right.
So writing the cross, like the answer of the cross, like this is little long. Like if you have like 6 elements or maybe 7 elements, it'll be really long. So is there a way like a diagram or something, like we had Venn diagrams in sets? Is there a diagram or something like that in this?
Right. I'll explain the diagrams in the later. All right. Don't worry. We'll go to the diagrams also. All right, Nanda? Yeah, that is called mapping diagram. The diagram you are talking about is not called Venn diagram in relations. That is called mapping diagram. All right.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll cover that. Don't worry. This is just the start. We are just trying to understand what Cartesian product is, right?
Yes.
Done.
Done.
All right.
That's
So let's write one note. If set A has m elements and set B has n elements, the number of elements in set A cross B will be, can anyone tell me the answer? If we have 4 elements in A and 3 in set B,
M into N.
m into n, absolutely right. M n elements. Is it clear enough?
yes, sir.
All right. Done.
Done, sir.
Okay, this is the question you have to solve. Very easy question.
Done, sir.
All right. So how many elements are there in Cartesian product A cross B?
So 6.
6, right? 8, 4, 8, 3, 8, 5, and so on.
Yes, sir.
All right. Right, this is the next question. If A equals to A comma B, find A cross A.
So there will be 4 elements.
Absolutely right. 4 elements,
So A comma A,
right?
B comma B, then B
Right.
comma E, and B comma A.
Absolutely right. All right. I hope this is clear, everyone.
Yes.
All right. Now, Cartesian product of 3 sets. All right. If set A is equals to 1 comma 2, find A cross A cross A. All right. Do you want to try this or should I solve this first? Fahad, Arnav, do you guys want to try this?
So I don't know how to do this.
All right. See, A cross A means this is 1 comma 2 cross 1 comma 2 cross 1 comma 2, right? So how to solve this? Fix this element. All right, this element is fixed. So the first element, and here the ordered pairs are 3 elements, consist of 3 elements. All right. 1 comma 1 comma 2, 1 comma 1 comma 3, and so on. All right. So fix this element. So we have 1. Now the first element of this 1, the first element of this 1. This is the first element, comma. This is fixed. So 1. This is first element. Now the second element of this 2. All right. Now change this one 1 comma 2 comma 1, 1 comma 2 comma 2. All right. Now we have to change this one, fix 2, and write the same for rest. Is it clear? Fahad, enough or not clear?
Clear.
Yes, sir.
All right. So write the full set. All right, and give me 2 minutes. Done, everyone? Now this is clear.
Yes, sir.
All right. So this is 2 comma 1 comma 1, 2 comma 1 comma 2, 2 comma 2 comma 1, and 2 comma 2 comma 2. All right. I hope this is clear, Fahad. This is clear.
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's solve one question. This question is for you guys to solve. A Cartesian product A cross A has 9 elements, among which are found -1 comma 0 and 1 comma 0. Sorry, 0 comma 1. Find the set A and the remaining elements of A cross A. All right, write down this question and try to solve it. I'll give you a few minutes. Fahad, enough, the question is clear.
Yes.
All right, tell me when you are done. Done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So what are the elements of A?
-1, 0, and
0 and
1.
1. All right. How did we come to this conclusion?
So since A into A has 9 elements, so A square equals to 9, so A would be having 3.
See, but it can be 9 into 1 also. So 9 elements and 1 elements, no? See,
No,
m
but
into n.
A and A are same. So
Right. Definitely. So the elements must be equal, right? But suppose they give you A into B, then you should consider this elements also, right? 9 into 1. All right.
oh,
All right. Arnav, this is clear.
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, how do we get how did we get the elements -1, 0, and 1? Can anyone explain this to me?
so they were given.
They were given no. They have only given you the ordered pairs, right?
But there are 3 numbers and
Right. Because we have 3 different elements here, -1, 0. That means -1 must be there, 0 must be there, and 0, 1 is there. That means 1 is also there. Because we are trying to find A cross A, right? The whole question would be different if we write A cross B, right, Fahad, Arnav?
yes.
Yes, sir.
All right. So I believe you can write A cross A the rest of the elements. No doubt there. So let's solve. Let's move on to next topic, relations. What is a relation? A relation is a subset of Cartesian product between two sets A and B. All right. The subset is derived by defining a relation between the first element and the second element, a relationship or a condition, and the second element of the ordered pairs in A cross B. The second element is called the image of the first element. Don't try to write this down, just understand this first, then I'll give you time to write. What is a relation? All right. So a relation is a subset. That means the first thing we know about the relation is this is a set. All right, this is simply a set, nothing much more. And how do we calculate that set? The first thing we notice is this is the subset of Cartesian product between A and B. All right. So if they define a relation, then it would be between two sets, always between two sets. All right. And what will we do? We'll take a subset of A cross B. All right. We all remember what a subset is. Fahad, Arnav?
Yes, sir.
Right. We all know what is a subset. So if I write A equals to 1, 2, 3, and B equals to 2, 4, 6. All right. So what will be A cross B here? A cross B will be 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 6, 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 6, 3, 2, 3, 4, and 3, 6. right? This is clear. Now what we are saying is R is a subset of this. That means we have to choose few elements out of this. Subset can be phi, that means empty, or whole also, all the elements should be there, or a few elements out of this. And how do we calculate the subset? There is a condition or a relationship between the first element of the ordered pair and the second element of the ordered pair. So what can be the condition? The condition can be anything. Suppose I write where A and B are even. All right. So this is a condition between A and B, that both should be even. So what ordered pairs can we choose from A cross B? Can anyone tell me the answer here? If I tell you the condition between A and B is such that both are even, so what ordered pairs can we choose from this?
2, 4, 2, 6. 6. Yes.
2, 2, 2, 4, and 2, 6, right? Fahad, Arnav, this is clear?
Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
we can see that this R is a subset of A cross B, right? There is all the elements which are present in A cross B. So we can say R is a subset of A cross B. And how did we calculate that subset? We saw a condition between A and B, and we saw that these elements satisfy this condition that A and B both are even. So we wrote R is this set. This is clear, everyone?
Yes.
Hard enough. All right, so please note it down. I'll give you more examples then.
Then what is written after derived by?
Derived by defining a relationship or condition between the first element and the second element, the ordered pairs in A cross B.
And what is the last word in the second last line?
First with the second element in the image. This what, right? This is image.
Oh,
The second element is called the, see, in the relationship here, and this R2 is the image of 2, 4 is the image of 2, 6 is the image of 2. All right, the second elements are called the image of the first element. All right.
oh.
And you have a test in the next Sunday also. Next Sunday means not tomorrow, but in the coming week. All right.
Okay.
This is done, everyone.
Yes.
All right. We don't have time to solve questions on this, but all right, let me summarize this. So how do we calculate a relation between two sets? The first step is to calculate this, right? Cartesian product between A and B. Then choose all the ordered pairs that satisfy the given condition between first element and the second element, right? Fahad and Arnav, this is clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
All right, so no doubts in relation, right? In the next class, we'll do questions on this, then everything will be clear. I hope everything is clear about today's class. Fahad, Arnav, this is clear?
Yes, sir.
All right, so this is all for today's class. See you in the next class and keep revising. All right, Arnav, Fahad,
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
all right.